A lot of times in my business, I come across a prospect, a potential client that we would love to help market their business. There is definitely a lot of potential, but we turn them away and we decide not to work with them. Not because we are not excited about the opportunity, but because we don't want to add to their expense in marketing and our services while they are still not yet profitable. And we're going to make a video on why this is a bad practice, hiring a marketing agency when your business is not profitable. Instead, what we like to do in these situations, and I've been doing this a lot recently, is we like to give them an idea of how to get in their first set of clients and customers so that they can start making money without increasing their expense. Remember, even if you're a charity, you need to run your business profitably. Otherwise, you can't do what you need to do. So what we're doing here is we're just going to teach you two ways, two simple ways to get your first client or customer. We're going to first teach you a conventional way, the way that everyone else is going to talk about, i.e. social media marketing and all that good stuff. And the second way is going to be the unconventional way, the way that actually gets you wins, the way that if you were to pay us for a consultation, we would give you very specific, tailored advice for your setup. So the first, like we said, social media. Now, why social media? Just reach over here. All right. So this is a smartphone, and many of us do have smartphones. Now, the reason why I mention this is because this can be one of the most powerful marketing tools in your business. What that means is that a lot of times businesses in the past would have gotten a phone and a list of contacts, and they would have directly cold called all these prospects hoping to land a client or a customer. Not so much today. And the reason why not so much today is because of this beautiful thing we have right here. How this works is that instead of having to get a list of contacts, go through all these contacts, call every single one of them every day for 7 days a week or 5, depending on what your drive is, and hoping that one of them is receptive to your message and is ready to buy, which isn't very effective because there are only so many people you can talk to in one day. What you can do is you can pop out your smartphone, head over to your favorite social media platform. It doesn't have to be all of them. You can focus on one platform where you know your ideal client or customer is, and you're going to post content at least twice daily about your business, about what your business does, and how you help your ideal client, your ideal customer. That is going to be the most important part. The content has to be helpful to your ideal client or your ideal customer. And the thing that I want to dispel right away, it's not about views, it's not about likes, it's not about gaining followers. A lot of times we get caught up in the numbers, the metrics, but that's not what you want to do at this stage. What you want to do at this stage is you want to be the voice of reason, the expert voice, the trusted voice, the educational and informative voice on a topic that you love to solve. So in our business at Zelhan, we love to see businesses grow. We love to help businesses grow. We use a combination of software, marketing strategies, and business strategies to achieve this. On our YouTube channel, on our Instagram channel, on our Facebook account, there is a ton of information on how to achieve this. What we want you to do in your business is the same. Think about the problems that your ideal client or ideal customer would have whenever you speak with a client or you have a customer. What is the thing that they bring up most often or most recently that you realize that, this is something that they need to have resolved. This is something that's keeping them up at night. This is something that they're striving towards. Make content around that. And what you're going to realize happen is that you're going to start getting people who are interested in your services. From there, go ahead and get your first few clients, your first few customers. The reason why, again, I love using this media is because it's basically free and you post it once and it serves a large target audience. So go ahead and do that. You don't have to have an optimized profile. You don't need the most amazing video editing. You just need to start putting your content out there. Now, the second way, which is the unconventional way that can get you the most wins, is you want to think of the problem that your client has. And I'll give you an example. So I recently had a talk with someone who's in the live streaming space. They help, clients live stream their events like funerals. So let's say you're having a funeral in Jamaica. You have family in America and Europe that can't come to the funeral. You might want them to be able to watch. Same with graduations, same with weddings. You want to think about your client and the service you offer them. And then you want to think about the places and people connected with these clients that would need your services. And what I suggested this person do beside the social media or this business do is that I told him that you want to go to places that have your ideal client and organize a deal in such a way that whenever they refer a client to you, they get a commission. And how this would work is that, for example, you can go to a church. So churches host funerals, they host graduations, and so on. You can go to a church, organize with them, and say, you know what, my company does live streaming, and this is an example. Your company does not necessarily do live streaming. So my company does live streaming, and for every client that you refer to us, we'd like to give you a 20% cut of the pie. And what this is going to do for you is you're going to be getting clients without having to pay. And the reason why the church does this is because now when someone comes to the church to have a funeral, to have a wedding, they can say, well, is there a way for us to live stream this? The church can say, no, we personally do not have the equipment and the technology and the team to do the live stream. But here's this wonderful person that we've worked with in the past. Go ahead and give him a call and everything will be fine from there. This is a form of affiliate marketing and influencer marketing, I would say. But the reason why it works, and referral marketing, sorry. The reason why it works so wonderfully is because it's basically giving you the beautiful solution of only paying for clients when you get them, which is something that you would really love to do, especially in the early stages of your business. Now, here's what I'm going to do for you. If it is that you want some more help in your business with this, go ahead and set up a consultation with us. The link is in the description. And we'll help you. It doesn't have to be a situation where you come, you sit with us, and you become a client. That is not what we're about. We just want to help your business become successful. So definitely set up your social media and definitely think about the places, people, and things perhaps that your ideal client would need help with and where they would go. Form a relationship with those places where those places benefit when they help you get a client. Now, this is just a small part of what is called a $0 marketing strategy. To get a complete strategy, you can just watch this video here.